The topic of today's video is how to lower CPU temperatures in Windows 11. Now, this is not one of my favorite things to do, but there aren't really any negative effects to just trying it out. If it doesn't work for you, you can change it back. So the first thing that you want to do is navigate to your search bar. And in the search bar, we're going to type in power management and edit power plan should pop up. You want to click on that. And then you want to go change advanced power settings. And then we are going to navigate to processor power management. Click on the plus. And we want to go to our maximum processor state. Now, if you click on that setting, you can adjust it anywhere from, it actually fully depends on you. I've used it at 98 and 99 for Detroit Become Human. And this actually drastically helped the game's performance. However, it can also cause dips in performance for certain other games. So this is a very trial and error issue, but lowering it will definitely keep your CPU temps down, as there's nowhere further for the temps to go. It can only use the percentage that you've set. Now, of course, I would also recommend actually cleaning out your PC if you're on a laptop. If you have the capabilities to open it up, clean it out. You will be surprised how much dust can gather inside there. Repaste your CPU, take it to a service center if need be, and get it repasted and cleaned up. But hopefully the first method helps you. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.